In this car, you don't exist. Don't tell me what to do when you lose your keys and you crash into. In this life, I don't exist. Don't tell me what to do. You look pretty young for someone with a PhD. Are you really my dad? You're old and sad. So diggy 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 hey. Diggy 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 hey. Diggy 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 hey. Diggy 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 hey. Hey, diggy 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 hey. Diggy 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 hey. Diggy 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 hey. Diggy diggy